Okay, recording is in progress, everyone. This is something that benefited all of you here at the program that I mentioned. For this month, we still have another, right? 3 more lessons, or including today, right? Let me check the what is that called? Remember last week I showed you already. I think you'll have to take note that November is the last month of our program. So make sure you have to stick to the plan in order to score. So perhaps after November, then after December, January will be something that you are looking forward to do more thorough revision by yourself after learning, right? So that's why we have another 3 more lessons, including today. I mentioned last week also. So make sure that y'all don't skip any lesson anymore, right? Because time is so precious. Okay, perhaps 13. Then after that will be 20th and 27. Very fast. Okay, good. So ladies and gentlemen, so all of you here, right? Let us see. Maybe I need to what's that called, to update you. What is the our situation here is we need to make sure all of you can follow the lesson. Okay, so today I will also choose some of the question, especially the MS trial papers that last 2 years or last year ago, right? So I hope that you are still aware, okay? Especially, let me choose this paper and see whether can you do it without any problem. Okay, I will pick the question to test your understanding of some of the important question. For example, like if let's say I want to test you, what is the thing? Okay, this chapter, I think, good. Differentiation, integration as your friend last lesson mentioned, right? Differentiation and integration. So today, a little bit of the integration, okay, so that you are aware about how to solve this question. Application. So a lot of you still don't like this chapter, but you have to work it out, right? Yes, and your friend say, hi, Anki. Yeah, your friend say, Anki say, so sad, so can I start this beneficial program? That is actually sponsored by Sergey. So perhaps you can inform the organizer as well. But the thing is like, yeah, this is a sponsor program because you see some people they don't appreciate it, if you extend, then not many people attending. So you see, it's very useful for those who really attend the class. You learn something and you practice together with me every week. Just like you save, like if you attend my 1.5 hour class, it's equivalent to your 1 week revision. Really, sometimes you feel that it's so fast you can understand, so fast you can practice on the spot, rather than you do nothing at home, right? Although it's Saturday class, but weekdays is very packed due to you have your school and then you have other tuition classes. But now this program is on my Saturday, so that especially cater for your, okay, but maybe some of you don't like the timing. I'm not sure, clashing with other classes or what, because the timing here is like until your dinner time. Never mind, you can eat in front of the screen, okay? And do together, put the test pad on top paper. Okay, okay, remember, don't go and take the chopstick to write on the test pad. Some people do until like they miss up messy, they go and take the chopstick and write on the test pad. They thought it's a pencil. Yeah lah, they don't know. Or they multitask cannot focus, you see. So you just need to make sure that you have to read carefully the question and practice on the spot. Okay, because question say find the equation of normal. So equation of normal, this dy dx already given, but this is gradient of tangent. And gradient of normal, before that, can I get a value first? Then only easier to upside down later. They say at point P, did they give you the point P x value? The equation of tangent? Oh, so this question very good. You know, they give you gradient, they give you equation of the tangent. So the thing is, they give you equation of tangent. The gradient of tangent is 3. Oh, okay. So this question is for you to find the point P x coordinate. To find equation of the line, you must have gradient. You must have a point. Do you see that? Yeah, x1, y1. So you have to find out yourself by yourself without going to depends on the information everything is given. No, no, no. So they give you gradient equals 3. I replace with the 3 and I can find my x here. Don't you think so? Yeah. So you can find your x here. What? Bring up, bring down, right? But you can see x squared equals to 1 over 4. And you can find your x equals to positive negative square of 1 over 4. I got 2 points. I mean, actually, at my point P got 2 x coordinate. Did they give you anything? Oh, the x coordinate. This is the important information. Dia kata coordinate x adalah positive. Confirm one because you can't choose 2 value and then sub in later you kelang kabut. So they already give you information. You read carefully. Okay, got 2 value. This one rejected. You don't need the negative. You only choose positive. Right? So the gradient you already got. Just that you need to find the y coordinate because the gradient got already. Don't need to worry because to find gradient of normal equals to negative gradient of tangent like that, right? This is gradient of normal. The only thing is the point is not given. I got x coordinate. How to find the y coordinate? How class? No. When x equals to 1 over 2, you can find y here. This is equation of the tangent where they share, they share the same point on the tangent line. Point P on the line, correct not? Katakan ini lengkung. Pada titik P, ini tangent. Ini normal. Yeah, they share the same point P. To find the y coordinate, you can use this. 3 over 2 plus 1 will be 5 over 2 lah. So you got x1, y1. And therefore, you want to find equation. You see, equation of normal line. Use the formula y minus y1 equals to gradient of normal x minus x1, right? Y1 is what you found already? 5 over 2. Hayo, so easy, And then 1 over 2. What's your answer? Simple, which is equals to 8 over 3 here. So this is how you substitute and get the equation of the normal line that you learned last week. That was about in differentiation application, right? So go and check it out. And now your job is to recall back how to do the integration. Can see or not? So step by step. Any question? Okay, now The question asks you to find equation of the curve. Continue here. A done already, right? Look at B. Okay, to find equation of curve means find the y. Huh? So I need you all to think from the gradient how to get y. That one is to recall back integration chapter. Anyone want to give your answer? You want to donate your answer and see how smart you are and how clever you are so that you will feel very, very proud. No, actually, you'll make your parents feel proud of you. At last, you can solve this MS question by yourself. Oh my God. So that's right. So Yi Cheng got the answer already. Very good. I'm very happy that some of you know how to do. And some of you don't know how to do. Doesn't matter. Because you still got me today to help you. But after that, I don't know already. Are we going to meet again? Still got 3 more weeks left, including today. Very fast, right? We meet 2 months ago. And today is like counting down, not for SPM, for our separation that we have to live apart. You know that how sad that, when the last class, we will see each other crying and sing the same song, All Lang Sang. Yeah. So hopefully you all get ready, prepare yourself, a lot of tissue paper on the last lesson before to stop running out of tissue paper. Then you have to use underwear to wipe your tears. Okay, so this question, only 2 friends give the answer. Never mind. Enki also give the answer. Very good. Well done. Today, this morning, also you and Yi Ching are very active. You all should meet each other, Enki and Yi Ching. Maybe you all can become best friends. You all should take contact of each other. Yeah, okay, your friend. So how? Integrate lah. If you want to integrate to get y, I bring up this. Bring up, the 102 not up. The 102, the 2 is still bottom, but 2 is still bottom. X bring up. Then integrate both sides respect to x. This one integrate, you get y. Integrate 1, you get respect to x, huh? This one integrate power plus 1 over the new power. Remember, plus c. Then rearrange. Look at this. I rearrange. But you must not leave your answer like that. You must have c replaced by a value. Do you know that, class? You don't know. You thought like that is the final answer. Oh my god, there. You cannot like that. You have to be very careful. Because if you live like that, people won't give you full mark. Do you see or not? Do you see or not? You cannot see means what? Blind already. Okay, cannot be like that, okay? You are very good student. Just that somehow nobody guide you. You simply learn by yourself. We are the experienced person. We can share with you. Who can tell me how to replace the C? You have to substitute into where? I only see 2 friends give the answer. You have to tell me the others. Okay, whether you know or you don't know, you must tell me. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, in order to find C, you must know equation of the curve, equation of tangent, and equation of the normal line, all connected with one point P. Then the point P is on the line of curve as well. Better substituting the x and y with the value you found just now, 1/2 and 5/2, right? 1/2 and 5/2, right? Yeah lah, just like that. Don't you think it's the easiest question in the world? If not, never mind. I will show you. This one cut. 1 ready lah. You still want to write me? Blind also no, tak payah. Okay, 5/2 minus 1/2 and then plus 1. And your answer C is 3. Therefore, answer quickly. Replace with this. Correct, ladies and gentlemen? You happy or not? Do you get the same answer? And I saw the answer from who? Ergi and Yi Ching. Correct. And Yi Ching must be confident. You say not sure, but you got it correct. This is something very sure. Very, very sure. That's how smart you are. Okay. Well, and this chapter is a heavy chapter. Integration, they still can ask you related to area, related to volume. Next question. And it come up in exam, maybe 2 questions, you know, in the paper. So better do more practice. If you have not enough practice, you can't score. You don't tell me you go to sleep after one night, you can become smart. No way. You should know that you spend 2 months already and going to have 3 months with me, you have to know you have improved some of the techniques and understanding from my teachings, from my teaching. So I don't want you to just, just what's that called? Leave it like that, right? Okay. So this question, yeah, also related to, is it integration? If not, okay, read the question carefully. You can screenshot the question and then you do it now. Most important thing is your working. You have to write it properly without any problem. Then I can tell you, you are there. You are already there. Can you interpret this question? How to do? If not, you need my help or you want to try first? And you don't spend too long to do one question. I always give you the timing and then we discuss. Okay, try to be more alert in how to answer the question, yeah? If you need help, let me know. Okay, any answer you want to give to me? I'm still waiting. Because all these questions, right? Very good, Yi Ching. Key. I think I cannot wait funny. Your friend so funny. I think I cannot. Your friend type this message. I feel so dramatic. 我觉得我不可以了。Your friend, if I translate to Chinese words, 我不能了。Okay, very dramatic. Okay, also submitting the answer. The others, try your best. You can do it. You can integrate easily, right? They give you the area. Means you need to find. Another 1 more minute to everyone and see whether you got to answer correctly or not. Make sure that you all can answer all the questions. And this question, 10 marks, man. 10 marks. Bagian B question. Okay, so the answer for A, B, and C, I will show it here so that y'all can see how I do it. Now, find the value of P and Q is actually the equation inside the equation of the curve. And you can see to find two unknown, you need to have two equations. That's the common thing you must know. How to build the two equation? Okay, nak cari dua pemboleh ubah, kamu kena mempunyai dua persamaan. Maka kamu kena bina persamaan melalui maklumat yang diberi. Contohnya, titik M diberi koordinat X dan Y, kamu gantikan ke dalam persamaan ini secara senang sekali. Dan lagi satu persamaan, dekat mana? Dekat sini. Luas diberi ialah ini. Means integrate the Y respect to the X is given 34/3. From where to where? You see? From 0 to 2. So this is the information. With respect to X, integrate Px squared, you get Px cubed over 3. Integrate Q, Qx. From where to where? 0 to 2. And you just solve it. Okay, everything times 3, so that no fraction involved, nicer. Oh, I got two equations. Equation 1, equation 2. This equation 2, right? Why not I divide by 2? I can simplify so that I can use elimination method to solve the P and Q simultaneous equation. No? You see or not? Using elimination method directly, you can see 4P and 4P. Positive 4P, positive 4P, same sign, minus. You can take equation 2 minus 1 or equation 1 minus 2, up to you lah, huh? And you see 4P minus 4P no more, 3Q minus Q, 17 minus 11, 2Q equals to 6, Q equals to 3. When Q equals to 3, then you sub in to find P, you can sub in into the equation 1 to solve lah. Is that difficult? No, right? So that's your answer, ladies and gentlemen. You see your friend Ki and Yicheng got it correct. Yicheng got it correct. Well done, Yicheng. Those who make mistake, you double check what is your mistake here. You see what is the thing that you make mistake. Any problem with it or not? Okay, check, check. Okay, this is question A. Question B. Find the equation of the tangent at M. Equation of the tangent at M. Ladies and gentlemen, you all can see the question. Okay. Wow. Equation of tangent M. Where's the tangent? At where? At where? Pada titik M kan? Jam. Hello, Jam. You know Jam? I touch the draw, cannot draw. How come? Can already. At tangent M, at point M, tangent is here. To find equation, you need gradient. So you got P and Q, right? Quickly sub in the P and the Q just now you also got already, right? What is the Q? The Q is 3, right? Sub in into the equation. right? P and Q, because you need to differentiate. Karena to find gradient of the tangent, sub in the x with 2 at point M. You get 8. Gradient of tangent is 8. And equation of the tangent persamaan garis lurus tangent ini sangat senang kerana informasi semua sudah ada. Kamu tak payah susah payah cari lagi. Iaitu Y1 ialah 11 pada titik yang sama. Gantikan terus. Ini sebenarnya soalan yang dipanggil sebagai bonus. Tahu buat ke tak tahu? Okay? After that volume, no. After that volume, but you have to know that the question, they want what type of volume. Any question so far? Why you're so quiet? Question C, your friend say, I cannot already. The feeling is like want to die already, but cannot die. Okay, those who have done, all the best. Those who haven't done, do the rest. Oh, really? I don't know what to eat for dinner. I feel like very hungry. Have you eaten your dinner? If not, never mind. Sometimes when you do maths, you may also can get quite full, you know. Why? Because it's like, you know, you do until cannot do, you fed up, you feel sad, you know, after that, everything no mood, then appetite also don't have already, then you feel like, hey, no more hungry. Yeah, it can be like that, you know. So, you see, the question, find the volume, you all can follow or not, right? Ask if you don't understand. Leave your answer in terms of I. When the region bounded by the curve, the y-axis, and the straight line. Straight line, y equals to 6. Y equals 6 is where? Can I ask you what is the intercept here? When x equals 0, you double check. You can find the y there or not. P. This is 3. So y equals 6 is here. You know y equals 6 is here, roughly here, y equals 6. So a lot of people, they thought the shaded region. No. This is the region. Going to rotate at where? Y-axis. Oh. Can you see that? And I want to tell you, very simple, to find volume of revolution, formula integrate on the y-axis, right? Okay, on the y-axis of dy. This is the curve, right? You must make x as a subject, because you're going to put x as subject. So how? 2x squared equals to y minus 3. And then I don't need to square it because you put x squared. Volume, add a pi, add a square. Oh, so the x squared directly replaced with what? Y minus 3 over 2. Do you see that? And integrate from 3 to 6. That's it. Hello? Hello? Can or not? Then you integrate. Before you integrate, you can split them into 2 fractions. You can follow on x squared. And you can say integrate y over 2, you get what? Y squared over 2 times 2, 4. And integrate 3 over 2, 3 over 2y. And you have to sub in the upper limit minus the lower limit. And your answer will be equals to what, ladies and gentlemen? Your answer is what? 9 over 4 pi, correct or not? Betul tak jawapan ini? Semua orang? Ada tak masalah? Yang tak faham mana? Tanya. Tanya sampai you menjadi hebat. Because nobody got this correct. Means your volume really, really bad. Very bad. Have to do something. Do you see that or not? Perhaps we do again another few questions that related. Because if you don't get it correct, you don't know how to integrate, wasted, you know. Wasted lah. You know wasted? W-A-S-T-E-D. Wasted. Finish copying the question. I mean the answer, the working. Can or not? I give you some more interesting question that can make your life full with a lot of like, you know, fun. Can I? Your friend say, sir, scroll up. Oh, you're okay, scroll up. Like that or like that? Which one? Like this? Is it this position the best? Or how? Because our friend want to take screenshot and then you can do again as the answer, you know, to check your answer. Check out. Okay, ready. Then we go to next question. Wow, you like it. Another integration practice. I know that some of you still need help and you feel like don't know how to ask. Never mind. We do this question. Ew, is it too small? Huh? Okay. Too small, huh? Too small, later your eyes become blind. You know, when you do, force yourself to open your eyes so big and zoom in with more harder. Oh, I have to make my screen not so shine, not so bright, not shine. How come shine? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, can you all do or not? Please do the question and let me know what is the answer, yeah? Can do or not this question? So far, nobody give the answer yet. Okay, I saw the answer given by Yi Cheng. Good. The others? Okay, another answer from Anke. Okay, find the value of k. There's a curve y equals to x squared plus 4, and the straight line y equals to 4x is a tangent. And this is another straight line, at point negative k. So find the value of k. You have to know at this point, if you simplify, you find the gradient of tangent is 4, right? And you differentiate, you get 2x, right? Based on the x squared plus 4, you get 2x. Correct or not? Differentiate x squared, 2x. And the gradient of tangent equals to dy dx. So I can say 4 equals to 2x, x equals to 2. But you must know to find the value of k. So actually x is actually, k. Substitute with the value directly. Okay? Yeah, that's the way. And find the area of shaded region. This is the challenging part. Oh, no. You have to know to find area of the shaded region. They are symmetrical, right? Just find one area and then times 2. Where you can see, you take this area under this graph, then you minus what? Minus the area of triangle, correct? So integrate the graph, which is the curve, from 0 to 2, you integrate, you get the whole thing. By the one, you need to minus the area of triangle. Half times base times height. Who can tell me what is the height of the triangle? No, when k is 2, sub in the equation. Yeah, is equals to 8. So it's 8. Right? Understand? Okay, integrate power plus 1 over the new power. Integrate 4x. From 0 to 2 minus cut. And you can sub in sub in 0, 0, everything 0, huh? Got someone say that. Okay, next. What do you get? 8 over 3 plus 8 times 2. 21, 1 over 3 lah. Oh, 64 over 3 also same. Okay or not so far? So good? Or so far, not good? Double check you're working. Okay, got the answer. Very good. Well done. You know, well done. WELLDONE. Well done. Okay, next. The volume, Yeah. Okay, find the volume by the area bounded by the curve and the line. So read carefully. Don't simply think it's the area of shaded region. It's actually area bounded by the curve. This curve, you have to know who and who are this curve. The line y equals to 5. Just now this is what? When x just now found already, this is 8, right? So this one, the y-intercept, you have to double check the 5 is in between here or down or what. You have to check because you got the equation of the curve. You see they cut at this y-intercept. So you have to double check one. You cannot simply substitute and then you put in the value like that. No, this is 4. Means y equals to 5 is above the 4. This is y equals to 5. Okay, and then bounded by the curve and the line. Only this one. Rotated 180 actually because already got one whole piece. So it's the same, the whole thing 361. Same thing as one small portion rotate 360 because this 180, because of this rotate 180 also can get the whole thing. Rather than this one, you rotate 360 is the same area, same. Okay, rotate along the y-axis. So my question, to find the volume of the revolution, I want you all to take note on this, right? Which is you have to integrate 4 to 5 at a pi at a square, right? With respect to y. And you take the curve equation, which is y equals x squared. You have to substitute, make x squared as a subject. So this one directly x squared is y minus 4. Integrate. So you have to check integrate y squared over 2, integrate 4y long. Minus. Okay, and your answer is 13 pi. Okay, any question from this working? So far, nobody got it correct. What? So how? So difficult, A lot of people still weak in this chapter. Yeah, so how? Time flies. If you still don't know how to integrate correctly, and this question, compulsory question, cannot choose, you must do, and altogether like 10 marks question gone. Oh, you follow, you could follow correct lah. But how come follow still can get wrong? For B, right, area of shaded region, nothing, 2 times. I mean, this method and just now question method different. This one times 2, just integrate on because you didn't realize. Okay, integrate the curve, you get this area. After that, minus a triangle. Okay, then at the end, you get this part. So you have to understand this concept. For B lah. Question C lah, volume. Y'all can understand or not? Y'all still need one more example or not? Integration. Class. Integration, you need some more, what's it called? The application question. Need or not? Your friend say, can? Can? Wow, very, very. What's that called? Paper one and paper two also you have to know, huh? Okay, now everyone, this is another question that I need you to do it properly. Don't make mistake anymore. If you got mistake, ayo, so how? Wasted, you know. Your whole, yeah. Oh, interesting question again. Wow. Jella Jella. Why? Just now the question, 13 pi. Do I calculate wrongly or what? Oh, 25 minus 2. Hold on. Maybe I make mistake there. Double check answer. Oh, I get 102 pi. Sorry. Ikut orang naik lori. 102 pi, just now the answer. Double check with calculator again. Correct. 102 pi. Just to test you only. Because y'all no response. Funny, I use this as an excuse. No excuse, okay? Wrong means wrong. All the best. Do this question. Okay, so far haven't get anyone's answer. Okay, let's check the answer. I see you all got it correct. Some of you, and here also. Let's see. Question A, find the value of H, K, and M. So H, K, and M, basically, you can see or not, the H and K, this point, you can substitute into the equation, y equals 3x, k equals 3h. Two unknown, you must have two equations to solve. So sub in another equation, they give you so direct, so I don't think it's difficult at all. Same point, you sub into two equations. Okay, so very good, Yicheng also. Now, equate them, and then everything times 2. And rearrange, you're going to solve the quadratic equation. Okay, you have to find k as well and also m. Once you find the h negative 8 is rejected because you see the h should be positive value. So you must also be alert. Sub inside k equals 3h, k equals 6. And how to find m? M is the x-intercept of this y, of this equation curve. So how to do? I can tell you when the x equals to m coordinate, y equals 0, sub in lah. Why so difficult leh? No challenge at all lah. This style question. Why I say until like that? You want to slap me or not? You want to whoosh me? Oh? Okay, yeah lah, no challenge lah. This one rejected lah because blind also no positive lah. Okay, yeah, never mind. So you got the value, everything, huh? HK is 26 law. Now find the area of the shaded region, huh? You have to know. Area of shaded region. This one you have to split them into two parts because one is this curve, another one is under another curve. So don't simply integrate all directly. You have to split them from 0 to 2, 2 to 4, like that. 0 to 2 is under this straight line, y equals to 3x. This one under this curve, then x squared over 2 plus 8. Okay, huh? Integrate 3x squared over 2 from 0 to 2. Okay, integrate, huh? As usual, sub in upper limit minus lower limit. So what do you get? This one cut 6 plus. Directly lah, you use calculator lah. What's the answer? I get 12.1223. Very good, your friend. Hey, how come different answer? You can check or not? How come you can make mistake? Yeah, you will check again what's a mistake. Okay, and now find the volume. Shaded region about the y-axis. 360 degree. So you have to know this question. Volume, not easy. Okay, rotate here. So you have to take the volume of this curve minus the area of the triangle. You have to minus this one. Okay, minus of this one. So the volume of revolution equals to, okay, pi integrate, you make x squared as a subject, y minus 8 equals to negative x squared over 2. X squared over 2 equals to 8 minus y. X squared equals to 16 minus 2y. Okay, from 0 to 6. After that, minus the integration minus this volume of the triangle. You can say 3x squared. You make x as a subject. X squared is y squared over 9. Okay, and then from 0 to 6 also, then solve lah. Integrate, you get 16y. Minus 2y squared over 2. y cube integrate 9327 and you get your answer yourself lah. Okay, so you multiply, sub in yourself everything and get your answer. Double check. Okay, I will stop here. You do it yourself at the end because I got another class at 8 o'clock. Okay, see you and all the best to your revision on next week. Okay, take care everyone. Welcome. Bye-bye. Take care. See you. Take care. Happy Deepawali. Okay.